Okay, we're going to be working on a Audi station wagon today, doing the headlights. You can see these are quite bad. Very oxidized. Especially when you get around on the side, you can really see how bad they are. Okay, now we got the surface all prepped. We've got 3 layers of tape around, making sure that we don't come anywhere near the paint. And we can start the first step of getting this back to looking like new. Okay, we're all done now restoring this Audi. We can see how clear these headlights are. And zoom right in. Completely crystal clear.